Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW 4 Series bonnet, only ways. Locate the interior release lever on the driver footwell and pull firmly until you hear a click. Move to the front, feel under the center of the grille for the secondary safety catch, then push the catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the strut or prop and never trust it unsupported while you work on the engine bay. Start by opening the driver door and positioning yourself to reach the footwell release lever comfortably. Pull the lever with a steady, firm motion until the bonnet pops and settles slightly open. Walk to the front and slide your fingers under the bonnet to find the small secondary catch near the grille. Push or lift that catch while lifting the bonnet, then allow the hydraulic strut or prop to hold it open before placing tools in the engine bay. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker can bring music and voice guidance into your garage, read repair checklists aloud, and set countdown timers while you work, making hands-free tasks simpler and a bit more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the interior lever feels loose, inspect the release cable for damage, kinks, or corrosion and lubricate the mechanism. For a bonnet that resists lifting, apply gentle upward pressure while you manipulate the secondary catch to release the latch. If the hydraulic strut does not hold the bonnet reliably, secure the bonnet with the prop rod or a safe support before you begin any maintenance to prevent accidents and allow a stable workspace in the engine bay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.